Hello everyone, this is Mohammed, and in this video I'm going to solve task 1 of week 78. So before I do that, I just want to share, did you notice something changed on the home page of the website? So now we got the current weekly task is listed on the home page, so you don't have to actually go to the challenges page and then go to the weekly challenge. You can get those tasks on the home page itself. So you get a preview kind of thing. What are a couple of tasks for this current week, which is 78. So let's get to the details. So if you click here, take me to the weekly challenge, and also we got a link to all the sections on this page. So instead of going up and down, you can do like this. And also, if you notice, there is a top button here. So in case if you are down the bottom of this page and if you want to go top, before you have to do scroll. Instead, you can just do top and you get to the top of the page. It's quite handy because the page is getting longer and longer. So it's better to have, it's nice to have link at the top where you can jump to the section instead of have to scroll down. And then once you are at the bottom of the page, you can just by click a button go to the top of the page. So it's quite handy. Okay, so that's the interface change I've done recently in the last couple of days. So it's quite handy. Let me know if you like it. So let's jump to the task 1 of week 78, which is called leader element. So what is it? So you are given an array called @a containing distinct integers. I believe that means unique. So write escape to find all leader elements in the array A and print 0 if none found. Okay. So what is the definition of leader element? Is an element is leader if it is greater than all the elements to its right side. So there are a couple of examples. So if the list is, and it's not sorted order, looks like. So if the list is 9, 10, 7, 5, 6, 1. So if we pick the first number 9, is this a leader element? No, because there is a number which is greater than 9 to the left. Is 10 the leader number? Yes. All the numbers are smaller than 10. Yes. 7, all the numbers to the left is smaller, so 7 is my leader. 5, no, because there is a 6 there. How about 6? Yes, 6. And 1. So by look of the example, it looks like you'll never get 0 printed because 1, the last number in the list is always with the leader. At least, so you'll always have one element, leader element in the given list. Okay, so let's get on, and should be quick and easy. So usual stuff. My work in progress folder. Let's jump to the ch1-pl user bin use strict warnings. So I'm expecting a list from the user. So let's call it. So what should I call it? So I'm going to call L GB0, and I'm going to give a default value is one of the examples. So let's give this as my default list of values. So this is my default list, and then I remember somebody pointed out that I shouldn't be calling method because method is part of an object. let's call it subroutines to be perfect. Exactly. So it's actually subroutines, not method. Anyway, so first thing I need to do is convert this string into some kind of array or array ref. So let's call get array, string with the string, and I'm going to convert that. And let's call it list. So here's a list. Just do basic error checking. So what do I expect? So it has to be unless I'm going to do some regex. So what do I expect? I am expecting should be start with optionally minus number followed by any digit followed by optional comma and maybe a space optionally is afterward, comma, and one or more of it, and then end of the list. So that's my list, and then just do some tidying up. I'm going to just get rid of all the space and then return splitting comma. So return an array ref. So once you have an array ref, time to play get the leader element. So I'm going to call it method leader element. And the thing I expect in this is my array. Should I be calling array ref? Let's call array ref. So that's my array ref. Let's create a place for leaders, leader elements. Select one elements. Let's call leader elements. So empty list. And so what I'm going to do is, so my idea is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the list one by one, starting the first element, and then compare that element against everything to the left of that number. If the max of any of the number to the left of this current number is greater, then I'll take my current number as my leader element. So let's try it. So I'm going to do for each my $n at dollar array ref. Okay, so let's call that. So I've got an index 0, if $I is $hash $hash array dollar to make life easy, I am gonna create an array. So $hash array. So if we reach the last element, so reason of that, the last element is always going to be the leader element. So I'm going to say push leader elements. If you are not the last element, then I'll do something, and what I'm expecting it to do, I'm going to do slicing. So if $n is greater than max, okay, so I need to import this method. Is going to be list util w max. So if the current number is max of doing array slicing, so max of starting from the next number till the end. So if current number is max is greater than the max of everything to the left, then that's my, so I've got a leader element. So the current element is my lead. So I'm going to say push and dollar leader elements $n. Give incremental, and then in the end I return the leader elements. And then it's time to call the method. So I'm going to say printf %sn, and that's going to be leader elements. I'm going to be with array $l. I need to do join. That's it. Nice and easy. Let's see how many tadpole got. Line number 8. That's missing, and then another one is leader elements line number 26. Okay, it's just an array. No need to do. So this is my leader elements based on the default value is 10761. Let's check if that matches with the answer 10761. This guy, what if I pass 3, 4, 5? I should get 5. So if I pass 3, 4, 5, I should get 5. Cool. So that solves task 1 of week 78. Nice and easy. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.